We create a special opportunity to see and touch and feel history. Liberty Hall Academic Center at Kean University is a unique historical resource.
The new building integrates archive space with classroom space. We incorporate original primary source research into the undergraduate curriculum by drawing on the resources that we have in our own archives and in the Liberty Hall Museum.
In addition, we've got the gallery space, so we're going to be able to host special exhibits, visiting exhibitions, all kind of community engaged events to really show how the present and the future is really engaged with the past.
We have the Special Collections Research Library, which allows them access to documents, manuscripts, books, artifacts that really tell the story of our state, that tell the story of our nation, and of two very influential families, the Livingstons and the Keans.
We can all read about history, but here you can actually see it, hear it, and touch it.
The way that we've integrated the classroom learning experience with a historic museum, with an archival collection and a university special collection doesn't exist anywhere else in the country.